Thanks so much for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be featuring the Members tab on your navigation bar inside of an individual rally. You as an admin will always be able to see the members of the rally, and when you click on the menu, you will have the ability to accept or reject members. Pending member approval will always sort to the top. As you can see here, accept or reject. If you're unsure of who this member is, you can click on the 3 dots next to their name, send them a private message to retrieve more information, or you can remove them from the rally. Scrolling down a bit, if you click on one of our admins, you again can private message them, you can remove them, you can make this user the rally owner, or you can make this user a rally friend. This changes the person's role. Owners and admins are virtually the same, except owners can delete a rally and admins cannot. However, friends can consume and contribute content, but cannot manage content or people. Changing people from friend to admin to owner can be particularly helpful in a staffing transition to easily hand the reins over to someone new coming in. Let's scroll back to the top of the page. You can download the members list, which friends cannot do. You can click invite friends to add members to this rally. You can do one at a time. Please insert a name, first and last, email. You can add a customized invitation message. You can save it as a default invitation message for future use. Add as a friend, an admin, and always be sure to invite them. Your next option would be email list. For best performance, we recommend not pasting more than 25 emails at a time. Type or paste email addresses separated by commas or on separate lines. Add your email addresses in this line. And again, you can create and customize your invitation message, save as a default message for the future, add as a friend or an admin, and always be sure to invite. You also have this drop down if you click on the friend icon in the corner here. It's the same icon that you'll get by clicking the plus sign here that says invite friends. We're going to click on shareable link. Here you can share this link in the messenger of your choice, copy, and private message, and you can share this rally link with any member of your choice. You also have the option to post an invitation to social media outlets. We have Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The social media option can be particularly helpful if your organization is working towards a migration away from one of those platforms. You can also view all roles. That's what's displayed here. This is everybody that's a part of this rally. But we can also sort by owners and admins. You can sort by rally friends. You can sort by pending invitations and declined invitations. You also have the option to search for friends individually. Put in Christine. Make sure that I'm back at all roles and search. Oh, the E went away. There we go. And from here, we can private message her or we can remove her. If you would like to get back to your full members list, you can click on members. Additionally, if you'd like to get back to your Rallyhood dashboard, you can click on the Rallyhood icon on the left-hand side of the page. And this will bring you back to your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience here at Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.